This piece is called Synthetic Summer. It is made possible through the Frank-Ratchye Funds for Art at the Frontier, as well as a small undergraduate research grant from Carnegie Mellon University. It was designed to look like a dock looking over a body of water, and it's meant to talk about how people are going to be recreating nature through artificial means in the future. As parts of nature become less accessible via land development or global warming, the installation represents how humans will be reimagining and manipulating elements of nature when true natural elements become absent, similar to man-made bodies of water, artificial snow, and greenhouses. Even though it really pushes the idea of manipulation to the extreme, it's really meant to ask the question, what is the next step going to be once conservation no longer becomes a viable option? So, what do you think of the piece?
I think it's neat.
I think it's pretty cool.
It's very soft. I like it. It's very fuzzy.
Do you think other means of manipulating and reproducing nature, both environmentally and even genetically, negatively or positively impact environmental conservation?
I think it positively impacts the idea of environmental conservation, because reproducing natural phenomena helps spread awareness to people who aren't aware of certain things that are happening, and by manipulating nature in a way, you could manipulate it in a positive way to help conserve the environment. So
the reproduction of natural resources means that man doesn't need to exploit those natural resources in nature, which means that we are less invasive.
Do you think methods of recreating natural phenomena will become more prevalent in the future, or do you think it will not be as important for future generations?
I think it will become more prevalent because we've lost so much of our natural resources already. We really need to start relying on something that's renewable because there's almost nothing left.
I think we're going to deplete our natural resources pretty soon. So we really, I think we do need to look into options where we can, create that kind of resources, and kind of imitate what nature gives us to really sustain ourselves and to avoid, depleting natural resources and in turn kind of ruining and destroying the environment further. So yeah, I think it definitely will be a lot more prevalent.